In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft PowerPoint for free for students. So first open up a browser and then enter in the search bar m365.cloud.microsoft/apps. And then over here is going to ask you to pick an account, pick your student account here, and then go through the sign up process. And once you're done, you're going to see this dashboard. Just click on the blue Install Apps button, and then click on Microsoft 365 Apps. And then this page is going to load in. Just click on Install Office right here, and then a download should start. It's going to be officesetup.exe, and then you can save it somewhere or open. I'm going to open, and then a prompt is going to appear. Just click on yes, and the download should get started. So now it's going to take a while to download. You can view your download status by going to the task tray here and then click on the Microsoft icon and then seeing the percent progress right here. And once it reaches 100% or close, it's going to finish and a notification is going to show. And I'm going to see you when it's done. And once it's done, you're going to see this message right here. You're all set. You can just click close. And now you're going to have all the apps, Office 365 apps on your computer, including PowerPoint. So you can search PowerPoint and you're going to see it right here. And once you enter, you're going to have to go into your student account if you haven't already. For me, I'm going to have to log into mine. So let's wait for it to load, or just enter right here. Just like that. Just click on next, and then don't send optional data, done. And over here, just click on the top right in PowerPoint and then enter your student account so you can have access to it. And that's it. So you're now going to be using PowerPoint. As you can see, you can start a blank presentation and use it for free if you're a student, of course. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.